In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Nowadays, we people remain unhappy quite often, quite often, unhappy. Unhappy because of certain reasons, and unhappy even without certain reasons as well. One type of unhappiness is that there is some sort of trouble going on. One sort of unhappiness is that I am I'm not possessing enough. What I possess is very little. That there is little reason to be happy. Because I don't have this, because I don't have that, because I don't have this, because I don't have that, and also because I'm afflicted with this sort of problem. I experienced this sort of trouble, that sort of trouble. I am experiencing this kind of trouble and that kind of trouble, and I might experience this sort of problem and that sort of problem. So these are the reasons of being unhappy. These are the reasons of being unhappy. There are more people who are unhappy than the people who are happy, at least here in our society, at least in the society of Pakistan, unfortunately. In the opinion of these people, in the eyes of these people, their glass is half empty. Rather, they will be found saying that maybe 80% of the glass is empty. So this is actually their point of view. This is actually their angle to look upon a certain situation. Strange. Now there are very few people who are happy. Let me tell you that there is a big misconception that if you are dissatisfied, you will be working hard to achieve more, and you will be working effectively to achieve more. That is a great misunderstanding. Misunderstand. And it must be clarified. Must be clarified initially. Maybe these dissatisfied and unhappy people might show relatively better progress at the workplace or at the task at hand, about the task at hand. But in the long run, their progress, their development will keep slowing down, will keep slowing down, will keep slowing down. This is so. This is so. What to do then? What to do then? What to do? Do you want to become happy? Do you want to become productive? Do you want to outsmart others? Do you want to outperform others? The answer is yes. I do want to become more effective at my workplace. I do want to be more happy at my workplace. I do want to outperform other people. All of that lies in one thing. One thing is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has gifted me with this thing, has gifted me with that thing, has gifted me with that, has gifted me with this. Always counting the blessings Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us. the things which we are possessing, many scores of people, millions of people, even hundreds of millions of people will be deprived of that blessing which we are enjoying, but still we are unhappy. Still we are unhappy. We need to keep counting the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We need to keep counting that I do possess this, I do possess that, I am possessing this one, I am possessing that thing. These are the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala which I am enjoying. Which I am enjoying. This is so. What to do? What to do? What to do? What to do? These are the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Keep counting the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now it is our responsibility to protect. It is our responsibility to develop, to develop, to make it further beneficial. It is our responsibility to take maximum advantage, maximum benefit out of it. It is our responsibility to let other people enjoy it as well. If it is so, if it is possible, if it is ethical, if it is moral. So I think so. We need to shift our focus from what I don't have, what I don't possess, and the kind of troubles I am having in my life to what I do possess, what I am gifted with Allah by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the kind of troubles which Allah has protected me from. The kind of troubles which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has protected me from. Shifting my focus from the glass which was half empty to the glass which is half filled. From what I did not possess to what I did possess. From the kind of troubles I was experiencing to the kind of troubles which I am not experiencing. It is the shifting of our focus actually which keeps us either happy or unhappy. We can make a kind of experiment, a happiness experiment, a productivity experiment. What is that experiment, by the way? For one whole week, we should keep counting whatever we don't have. Keep thinking for most of the time, for all of the time, the kind of blessings we are not having while other people are enjoying it. Certain other people are enjoying it. And the kind of troubles which I am facing, but others are not facing. Now, this for one full week, our focus will remain upon the two of these things. Now, keep taking your photographs, keep meeting the people. Now, after the end of this one full week, take another week, the very next week. Keep counting the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Keep counting the things which you are carrying, but most or many of the other people are lacking and they are desperate to get it. They are desperate to get it. Keep thinking about, and keep thinking about the kind of troubles which you are not having, but many of the other people are having. This is the kind of happiness experiment. Now, do compare the both of these weeks. Try to differentiate. Try to draw a line. Try to while making this experiment during the first full week. Keep writing a diary. Keep writing a diary at the end of each day. And in the second week too, keep writing a diary, which was the happiness week. Then compare the diaries, the 7 days, each day, Monday versus Monday, Tuesday versus Tuesday. You will come to know that being ungrateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and focusing upon what we are not possessing, This is the worst kind of enmity which we can do with ourselves. The worst kind of enmity which we can do with ourselves. And the second week was the best. We become our own best friends. We become our own best friends. We become our own mentor. We become our own mentor, best friend. Thank you, Jazakallah.